Welcome to Mastering the Content Calendar, where we'll explore strategic frameworks for digital marketing success. Discover the importance of content calendars, the power of consistency, strategic planning methods, and essential tools. Let's dive into creating a robust content strategy that aligns with your marketing goals. Understanding content calendars is crucial for marketing success. They provide a structured approach to organizing and scheduling content, ensuring alignment with business goals. Consistency in posting enhances brand credibility, while strategic planning aligns content with key events. Tools like Trello and Asana facilitate this process, enabling efficient management and execution of content strategies. A content calendar is your marketing command center, organizing and scheduling content across digital channels. It includes post dates, content types, topics, platforms, team responsibilities, and key performance indicators. This tool transforms chaotic posting into a strategic, goal-aligned approach, ensuring your content meets audience needs effectively. Marketing focuses on creating awareness and building relationships through content creation, social media, and lead generation. It educates and engages audiences. Sales, on the other hand, involves direct interactions to convert prospects into customers through conversations, demonstrations, and negotiations. A content calendar aids marketing, but also supports sales by nurturing leads throughout the buyer's journey. Traditional marketing relies on TV, radio, and print, offering mass reach, but with high costs and limited targeting. Digital marketing, however, uses online channels for precise targeting, cost efficiency, and real-time results. It enables two-way engagement and data-driven optimization, making it a more adaptable and measurable approach. Brands are increasingly allocating 60% of their marketing budgets to digital channels, up from 35% 5 years ago. Digital marketing offers a 2.5 times higher return on investment than traditional methods, with an average cost per click of $0.50 compared to $25 for traditional media. Content calendars ensure consistent, strategic digital presence, maximizing these advantages. Random posting confuses audiences and damages credibility. It leads to silence or content floods, neither beneficial. Social media algorithms favor consistency, so sporadic posting reduces organic reach. Followers expect regular updates. Breaking this pattern causes disengagement and brand forgetfulness. Consistency is key to maintaining audience interest and maximizing digital marketing effectiveness. Inconsistent posting leads to algorithm penalties, reducing organic reach by up to 75%. Followers unfollow silent accounts, with a 2 to 3% monthly attrition rate. This compounds over time, diminishing brand recall. Random posting misses timely trends and industry conversations, while competitors capitalize on these opportunities, leaving inconsistent brands struggling to keep up. Brands that post consistently enjoy 67% higher engagement, 3 times better reach, and 82% improved trust. A content calendar is crucial for maintaining this consistency, eliminating guesswork, and ensuring timely posts. This strategic tool helps build trust, train algorithms, and create reliable touchpoints with your audience. Strategic content planning involves aligning your content with key business moments. Consider holidays, product launches, industry events, and seasonal trends. This approach ensures your content resonates with your audience, leveraging natural engagement opportunities. By anticipating these moments, you can craft timely, relevant content that enhances brand visibility and connection. Holiday content strategy involves more than generic greetings. It should authentically connect celebrations to your brand values. Beyond major holidays, focus on niche ones like National Fitness Day for gyms. Plan 6 to 8 weeks ahead to ensure quality content and coordinated campaigns, avoiding last-minute stress and enhancing audience engagement. A successful product launch requires a strategic timeline. Start 8 weeks prior with teaser content to build anticipation. At 4 weeks, reveal features and share behind-the-scenes insights. 1 week before, announce countdowns and early access. On launch day, focus on major announcements and availability. Post-launch, highlight customer testimonials, and usage demonstrations to sustain momentum. Industry events offer prime opportunities to establish your brand as a thought leader. Pre-event content should include speaker highlights and agenda breakdowns. During events, provide real-time updates and key takeaways. Post-event, share insights and lessons learned, applying trends to your audience's challenges for lasting impact. Trello offers a visual board system ideal for small teams, featuring unlimited cards and boards with drag-and-drop planning. Asana provides robust project management with calendar views and task assignments, perfect for larger teams. Google Sheets is a free, flexible option for real-time collaboration and easy sharing, suitable for those starting out. CoSchedule Marketing Calendar is ideal for comprehensive teams, offering social media integration and analytics. Buffer excels in social media scheduling with detailed analytics and optimal timing. Monday.com provides customizable workflows and automation, suitable for any team size. Each tool offers unique features, with pricing starting at $6 per month for Buffer, $8 per month for Monday.com, and $29 per month for CoSchedule. When selecting a content calendar tool, consider team size, budget, platform integration, learning curve, and scalability. Solo creators benefit from simplicity, while larger teams need collaboration features. Beginners can start with Google Sheets to grasp basics before upgrading. Many successful brands began with spreadsheets before moving to advanced tools. Let's create a one-month content calendar for Power Up Fitness. We'll balance educational fitness tips, inspiring success stories, and promotional offers. Aim for 4 posts weekly on Instagram, Facebook, and the gym's blog. This strategy ensures consistent engagement without overwhelming your audience or content creation capacity. Power Up Fitness caters to a diverse community, offering group classes, personal training, and 24/7 access. Targeting adults aged 25-55, it emphasizes convenience and sustainable progress. The brand voice is motivational, supportive, and realistic. Key differentiators include flexible memberships, a supportive community, and experienced trainers focused on beginners. Core values highlight progress, community, inclusivity, and sustainable success. Power Up Fitness content strategy focuses on 4 pillars: educational tips, success stories, promotional offers, and community building. Educational content, comprising 40%, covers workout techniques and nutrition basics. Success stories, at 30%, highlight member transformations. Promotional offers, 20%, include membership specials. Community building, 10%, features gym events and staff spotlights, fostering a supportive environment. Week 1 kicks off with New Year Sustainable You, a blog post detailing 5 realistic fitness goals. Midweek, we spotlight Sarah's inspiring journey from couch to 5-kilometer runner. A video on proper squat form follows, ensuring safe workouts. We wrap up with Bring a Friend Free Week, encouraging community engagement. Week 2 emphasizes nutrition education with meal prep basics, healthy recipes, and a supplement guide. Week 3 shifts to community and motivation, featuring trainer interviews and gym challenges. Week 4 celebrates progress with challenge results and a February preview. Each week's theme ensures a balanced content strategy. Monday mornings are ideal for sharing motivational content, capturing the fresh start mindset. On Wednesdays, offer educational tips to combat the midweek slump. Friday afternoons are perfect for promoting weekend plans. At month end, recap achievements and tease upcoming events to engage your audience effectively. Plan 4 to 6 weeks ahead to ensure quality content and flexibility. Balance educational, promotional, and community content to engage your audience. Consistency in posting builds trust and improves algorithm performance. Regularly review and adjust your strategy based on performance data to refine and enhance your content calendar's effectiveness. Avoid overplanning by limiting detailed calendars to 4 to 6 weeks. Maintain flexibility with a 10 to 20% buffer for reactive content. Balance content by adhering to the 80-20 rule: 80% value adding, 20% promotional. Tailor content to each platform's audience and format. Your calendar should simplify marketing, not complicate it. Start by selecting a tool like Google Sheets for your content calendar. Define 3 to 4 content pillars that align with your business goals. Mark key dates such as holidays and product launches. Create a 1-month calendar with 3 to 4 posts weekly using PowerUp Fitness as a model. Download the template and join office hours for support.